right, good morning. I'm sorry that I'm not here with you today. You're going to start learning about circular motion today, and I'll be back on Monday to talk to you about it some more. I ask that you please be on your best behavior for this sub, and that you pay attention and try your best on what it is you're doing today. So I've kind of cobbled together this the lesson for today from videos that I've made in past years. So in a moment, the sub is going to show you a circular motion video in which I would like you to have your notebook out and take notes over. So that would be our introduction. And then the sub will also give you a packet that you're going to complete, where you're going to read a little bit out of some things photocopied from the book and answer some questions about that. That's your assignment that will be collected before you leave. If you finish early today, I want to remind you that I gave you that purple final exam review packet on either Tuesday or Wednesday. And remember that everyone has to do it, but that there is the opportunity for up to 10% bonus added to your final exam if you do the extra things associated with that. So if you have time at the end of class today, go ahead and work on that. But again, what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and get out your notebook and get ready to take notes over the next video you're